Hello everyone, Nancy here. Today, I'll show you how to scan a gemstone all in one go. First, shape the putty into a pyramid with a sharp tip, then fix the flat part of the gemstone onto the tip of the putty, ensuring that the gemstone is securely fixed on the putty and won't move during scanning. Minimize the contact area between the putty and the gemstone as much as possible. The less, the better. I usually go with fine scan since it captures more data from multiple angles. Now, let's just wait for the auto scan process to complete. As we can see, some data from the bottom hasn't been captured yet. What should we do? Do add scan. Rotate the data so that the area needing scanning faces us. Then click the Add Scan button to rescan. The software and the device will automatically complete the process. Keep press down the Control key and choose the data that we want to cancel the selection. Try our best to keep the stone data as much as we can. The default field areas look ugly and uneven. What should we do? Just enter Mesh Edit process. 2 or 3 steps can get what we need. After mesh edit, data looks more better. So easy, isn't it? Any question? Just feel free to contact me directly.